Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss Ivory,
And it's Mrs. Gergoni.
and we are here to give you a quick video presentation on how to complete these two activities. Hopefully, you can understand me okay. So, on your one of your assignments next week for number representation, this is a drag and drop. You are going to use these rectangles, and you're going to drag and drop them under the correct heading. So we have standard form, written form, and expanded notation. Over here, I have a number, and I need to be able to read this number, and I need to find the written form of this same number, and I also need to find the expanded notation representation of this number. And then I will click on and I will drag it and put it in the right box. Now you can see this says 198,405. That doesn't match the standard form, right, boys and girls? So I didn't do that one correct. When you're finished, you're going to close out your tab. You're going to exit out. Google will automatically save it. You're going to go back to your assignment where it says turn in and click the button. If you have any questions, let us know. And I'm going to let Miss Gergoni explain your next activity.
Okay, so class, here is the number representation form. This is the second part of your assignment. And up here are the directions. Click on the link to access your virtual dice, which the link is right here underneath or below. Click on the minus symbol until you get to number 1, which I will show you in a moment, and roll the die 6 times and record your number below in standard, expanded form, and expanded notation. So here is where you're going to record your number in standard form.
Let's do one with them.
Okay,
Let's
sounds
do
great.
an example. Okay.
Sounds great,
This
Miss
is gonna be
Ivory.
fun.
Okay, so we are going to click on the link, and this is the link you want to go to. So we're going to click there. And as you can see, you have your die in the middle, and we have to make sure that you select one. See, this increases the amount of dice you have, and this, that increases, this decreases. So you want one die, and then you click this button to roll the dice. Okay, Miss Ivory, so
go ahead, Mr. Gergoni.
Okay, perfect.
And I will write our number down.
Okay, so my first roll is
3.
My second roll is 4. My third roll is
2. And then I'm going to put a comma because that's my thousands.
Great. And my fourth roll is another 2. My fifth is 3. And my sixth and final roll is
3.
So
this is the number that me and Miss Gergoni created, 342,233. Now what do we do?
Okay, so what we do is we take our number and we go to our form, and the first thing, it's the number 1 says write your number in standard form.
Okay, so I'm going to use my keyboard and I will type my number in standard form.
Okay. In your text box, so it should say type here.
340.
Wait, Miss Ivory. Write your number in standard form.
Oh, I didn't read. It says standard form. What did I do wrong, boys and girls? I was writing it in word form. Thank you.
You're welcome, Miss Ivory.
343,000, 233. Okay, Miss Gergoni, I'm going to let you do the next one.
Okay. So it says write your number in expanded form. So in expanded form, we have to look at the place value. Thank you, Miss Ivory. And we start with the greatest place value, and we have a 3 in the hundred thousands place. So we need to write 300,000. Is that right, Miss Ivory?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
That's the value of the 3.
Yes. And then we have to add.
And the plus sign is shift And at the top, you have to hit the shift key in order to get the plus sign above the equal sign up the top right.
Okay. And then we have our second number.
Is 4, but the value of the 4 is 40,000 because it's in the 10,000s place. 40,000.
40,000. And then we hit the shift plus.
And the next digit, boys and girls, is a 2, and it's in the thousands place. So it's 2,000, Miss Bergoni.
1,000. Okay. And plus.
And this 2 has a value of 200.
200. So you have to make sure you have 2 2's in this number.
Yes. And then the next digit is a 3 in the tens place. The value is 30. 30.
Okay, and our last number.
And the last digit is in the ones place. The value of this 3 is just 3.
3.
All right.
Wow, Miss Ivory, there were 2 2's and 2 3's.
Yeah,
so we have to be careful and make
there's
sure
a
you get
lot
the
of
right place
threes.
value. Yes, ma'am.
That must be our lucky number.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, on the last one is expanded notation. We're going to use our parentheses. And to find your parentheses, you're going to hit the shift key and the 9. And we're going to look at the first digit. The 3 is in the 100,000s place. So that's 3 times 100,000. And then shift and hit the 0 key, and that will close your parentheses. Then we're going to add the plus sign. Miss Gorgoni, you go ahead and do the next one.
Sure. Our next number is 4. So that's the digit. Oops, I forgot my parentheses.
4.
Shift 9. The digit is 4 times the place value position
is what?
10,000. All right. And then shift 0. Okay.
And the next digit is a 2, and it's in the what place value position? 1,000th place. 1, so 2 times 1,000.
Okay.
Plus. We have another 2, Miss Gorgoni.
We do.
But what place value is it in? It's in the 100th place. 2 times 100 plus. We have a 3, and it's in what place value, boys and girls? This 3 is in the 10th place. So 3 times 10. And our last 3 is in the ones place. 3 times 1.
Okay.
All right, boys and girls. This is how you're going to complete your activity.
And that's it. So if you need any help, please remember to reach out to Miss Ivory or I, and we can always help you.
Be sure to submit it when you're finished, and let us know how you liked it. Bye.
Bye.